Hello everyone and welcome to Exquisite Blossoms. Today we will be unbagging two orchids from Roehampton Orchids. So let's begin. So I went to pick up this girl Thursday evening, and that night it was pretty chilly and windy, so when I got home, I didn't take them out of their bagging. I just didn't want to shock them up too much. So the orchids that I purchased were Catasetums, and surprisingly, I was actually really excited because I didn't expect to receive an orchid that was in bloom, that was budding. So I was super excited. So she's packaged pretty well. So she's wrapped up in brown paper and she's packed with some cotton. And she's a pretty big girl. There. So here we have Catasetum Taiwan Gold Orange. So it looks like she actually didn't go through any shock. So her buds are opening up. I'm really excited. I can't wait to see her open up. And a nice plump pseudobulb. So I was told that I don't need to repot her at this one specifically. I don't need to repot her just yet. I can repot her once her blooms are done and over with. But I do not need to water her because she is dormant. She has lost all her leaves. Okay. So this one's a tiny one, but I was waiting for them to have a restock on these orchids for a while now. This is the Monnierara Millennium Magic Witchcraft. Let me just get that one from the baggie. So, Monnierara Millennium Magic Witchcraft. So I've been waiting on these orchids for a while, and I was so excited when they finally had a restock on them that I didn't hesitate whatsoever, and I purchased two of them. So I purchased this one and the other one that I just showed, and I'm glad that I did because this orchid, the Monnierara, is sold out. So this girl is completely dormant, and I don't have to worry about watering her until there is new growth. So I'm pretty sure in a few days she will fully open up. I'll definitely do an update, but I'm really happy with what I received. These are my first Catasetums, so it's exciting to see her actually in bloom. I will have to wait for this girl down here till next year. But it's okay. That's fine. I'm still excited. So I would like to give a thanks to Roehampton Orchids for giving me some really great orchids. I'm really happy with what I received. I actually did not expect them to be in bloom, and the bulb looks really plump and green. Look at that shine. So I will be repotting this orchid down here, the Monnierara, Millennium Magic Witchcraft. I will be repotting her soon. As for the Taiwan Gold Orange, once her blooms are finished and I cut her spike, I will be repotting this orchid. Okay, don't mind the bag in the back. It's just because they're top heavy and this little one keeps falling over, so that bag is just used as a brace. So, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have an exquisite day. Bye!